Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on mention everyone here and all the roles on permissions on role settings on your account on Discord. Easy and quick. First click here, click settings, and now click roles, and now click here, click permissions. Here as you see you will find uh, mention everyone here and all the roles. Click on it like this and click save, and that's it. It will be saved, and that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.